Ladies and gentlemen, or maybe in between, this is the final boarding call for passenger Qatar Airlines. Book on flight Jakarta to Doha. Your flight is ready to depart. Please run and not crouch or even walk. To gate 00 for immediate departure. Hello folks, welcome back on my channel. This trip was from Jakarta to Doha. Well, I'm gonna talk about business cabin in Qatar Airlines. If you guys in a rush time or just feel lazy to walk, you can have a free access a golf car in international flight at Soekarno-Hatta Airport.
Hello, just the pickup car is free?
You see?
The golf pickup car is free?
Yeah.
Yeah, just for information for other people.
Well,
Thank
after
you.
that, you're gonna see a lot of Indonesian souvenirs all the way to the gate. But the price is quite expensive. It is better to buy outside of the airport. Yeah, of course, for well-off people, they don't really care about the price. But just keep it on your mind to buy some things at the airport. It's not recommended. Here we are in the business class cabin. It is quite creative to use soccer team player as a representative for showing the instruction during the flight and emergency warning. As we know, Qatar is one of the biggest sponsorship of soccer team, like Barcelona.
Race position. No move, lads. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position, or you may be required to release the mast by pulling on the coloured flags marked forward. Pulling the mast.
The flight from Jakarta to Doha is about 8 hours. The business class cabin is gorgeous. The entryway feels incredible spacious, with a bar setup and some magazines and newspaper on display, and also some snacks. One of the unique things about the cabin is that there are two seats behind the main cabin, which seem private and exposed at the same time. They are all alone, with no seats by the windows, so you have that part of the cabin all to yourself. At the same time, you are directly facing the entryway. And for the snacks, you can take it as much as you want, but I don't think you will take all of it. Including the wine, you can drink one bottle just for yourself. There are tons of storage. There's a storage compartment to the side of the seat. Then, on the other side of the seat is a well-designed compartment for headphones and a bottle of water, which also acts as the adjustable armrest. The seat controls are intuitive and probably the easiest to use of any airline. Then the tray table actually slides out from under the entertainment system. That's pretty cool, since it means you don't have to pull the TV screen out from the side of the seat, which makes it easier to use during takeoff and landing.
I think your preference is for the breakfast.
Yeah, I prefer this one.
Fish congee. Okay. Just allow me some time. I will just check for the availability. It's a famous popular choice for today. I will
Okay.
just update you. If
Yeah,
not,
okay.
may I ask you if not available, may I get you something else?
Yeah, sure. What about this?
Yes, we have karak chai. You would like to have a karak chai?
Yeah.
So have you requested for the low-fat meal, I believe?
Not really.
Okay. So it's just
Not
on your
really.
profile.
Yeah.
Please make sure you will remove it so later on you will pay.
Yeah, sometimes I make it like that.
So
But for this day, I
alright,
wouldn't.
you prefer not to having the low fat. Okay, after the takeoff, I'll offer you.
As is the case with most Middle Eastern airlines, there is an on-demand dining service. The menu and wine list were housed in a letter folder, which is impressive for business class, since they have a dine-on-demand concept. There's a big menu and you can order what you want when you want. Before landing, I ordered a kind of frappuccino, I think. One more information, Qatar also has on-air Wi-Fi which is charged based on data usage. That being said, it was also free only for WhatsApp, that no more than 50 megabyte usage I think. But I don't really sure about the quota, but it was free. Overall, Qatar Airlines have a great seat, comfortable, flat and wide. I actually put the Qatar pajama on the sleep. Meals were fantastic and by request only, so no big meal production with a bunch of noise. And finally, they have become my favorite airline, and cooling your heels in Doha for a couple of hours is worth the quality of the flight experience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode to explore Qatar in a day.